everybody, my name is MR.TUT here with BC Hollywood, and we're going on, okay, let me just say, this is my first official vlog. I did a vlog before. I think there's gonna be a card up on the top of the screen, but I did a vlog before, but it was vlog/tutorial, and you can watch that. I'll have the link in the description. But today, it's my first official vlog, so let's get started. BC Hollywood. What are you doing, BC Hollywood?
This is
seriously?
awesome.
This is literally happening. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna film in slow motion while you jump down. Okay, watch this, guys. I think I just broke my foot. BC, never listening to you again about jumping from places you said wouldn't hurt. Ow, I think I just broke my foot. So if you ever encounter BC Hollywood and he tells you to jump from an outrageous height, don't listen to him. I almost broke my foot. It was in sharp pain. So if you ever encounter BC Hollywood, if he's your biggest fan, okay, there he is. If he's your biggest fan and you want to do everything he says, don't.
You're my biggest fan?
Yeah. So, if you ever jump from around 20 feet, no, it was like 10 feet, like 7 feet. Don't jump from that height barefoot, especially barefoot.
It was about 3 feet. A 3-foot drop, maybe even less.
It wasn't 3 feet. Okay, now we're going to do some really cool stuff. What'd you say?
No, we're not.
No, we aren't. We could film some cool slow motion things. So. Black cat! It's a black cat!
It came right up to me. I didn't even do anything. It just
came right up.
Like this. It's not that we're afraid of
cats.
getting bad luck from black cats, but he's allergic to cats, so, and also, yeah.
I'm allergic to cats. And that
is not a scaredy cat. Are you a scaredy cat?
No, I'm a scaredy cat.
He touched me. Did you catch that?
Yep.
He likes me. That was
great. This black cat is something. Bye bye, cat. Nope, just. Is it literally doing this? It's following us.
Following us?
Yep, it's following us. Definitely following us. The cat is still following us. It really likes BC. You know, this video should be called Cat Likes BC. That cat really likes BC.
Actually going this way, we're actually going up.
Oh yeah. Bye, cat.
Bye, cat. Bye, cat. Bye, cat. Is it gonna pee or something? Bye, cat. Alright, wait, let's start walking away. Bye, cat. He doesn't want to follow me. Okay, so I was thinking, because every time we want it to follow us, we always say bye, cat, and then so that's gonna be its name. Except not, yeah.
Bye, cat. Okay, so we're gonna go down the street a little bit, and then we're gonna get back. So let's go. Whoa, so we just got really down the street a lot. And BC is sliding down the pole. Yeah, he's doing that. Now for more slow motion shots. Okay, we're here at Burger Ranch. For some reason, it's locked. Well, obviously, but they keep their signs on everything. It's actually.
Is that weird?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Because I know why. Open up! I want that burger.
Wait, did we just hear someone coughing there?
No, it's from out there.
Alright.
I want that burger. Not that. That. Ah, asparagus.
Cool. Let's see that. Alright, so this is really weird. Burger Ranch is having their signs on and everything, and yeah. A Burger Ranch.
Burger Ranch.
Burger Ranch Cup.
Burger Ranch Cup.
That means they're still in business.
But then why is it locked?
Because it's nighttime, dude. Wow, I wonder where BC is. I cannot find him. Wait.
We also gotta have bloopers in
BC!
here. Hey look, a hotel named after me. BC Center Hotel.
That's B.
Okay, it's BE, but if you think about it, it could be a really curly C. Wait, where's it?
It's right over here.
Oh, right. It could be a really curly C, like the B, see?
Makes sense. Smart BC. And now, there's no BC to be seen. Oh no! No BC be seen! Oh no! The lens has gone black! Help!
Ragnarok. Nah.
Yeah.
Just Thor 3.
Yeah, just Thor 3.
Or Thor.
Just Thor. Ragnarok is coming out. I have no idea when.
November 3rd.
Check what time it is. Yeah, we're checking what time it is. I think you have the phone, so we can possibly go back. That's the kind of camera I want. Right there. Actually, all that. Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty professional. Probably that one right there. Yeah, BC's pretty angry. He's coming at me. Oh no! Alright, so we are outside of the airport and we are going to the mall to get some ice cream from McDonald's, which would be really fun. Hopefully tasty, so let's go.
It's because the rest of the mall is closed. No. Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
Alright, we got McFlurries. McFlurries from McDonald's. The McFlurry from McDonald's. You know, BC always thought that spoon. Show him the spoon. Show him the spoon, BC. Show him the spoon.
I always thought it was...
Take it out.
Okay, this straw that they use to mix the McFlurry, I always thought it was a spoon, so... I mean, I always thought it was a straw.
Man,
and it works.
Sometimes
but
you're really silly. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it's not working. Alright, everybody. It has gotten dark super quick. We just got to a park area. I'll be showing you guys some videos of that. And we have our McFlurry, but I don't think BC's gonna finish it. Yeah, he hates M&M's in his McFlurry.
I don't hate M&M's, but I don't like them in this McFlurry.
Anyway, but before I show you all these shots and stuff and talk a little bit more, I just want to say a few things.
I want to thank our sponsors for this video, MR.TUT and BC Hollywood. They're great. Go check out their channels and definitely subscribe.
Okay, first thing I want to say, it's very important. I'm actually laying down. Okay, that wasn't very important. The real thing that I want to tell you guys is thank you all your viewers, subscribers for whatever. Thank you for watching this much of the video so far. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for going this much into the video without exiting. That probably means you like my video and you're gonna watch it till the end.
Unless you just skipped.
Anyway, if BC wasn't here, it would be way more serious. Just give me the M&Ms, man. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll like it. Please comment, subscribe. This is not the end of the video, so let's show you some of those shots. Wait! You didn't say what you're doing! There's just a trash can over there, and we're seeing how fast BC can go there and come back. Okay, he says, I think his explanation is the trash can is very yucky. This is so hilarious. Just open it with your hands. You can wash your hands after that. Sometimes BC's BC. Just pick it up. Yep, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! So thanks for watching, everybody.
Please subscribe and don't forget to give a like and don't forget to come again, see how many subscribers then.
Yeah, please subscribe. It will give me a lot of support and also to do a lot more vlogs like this. If you like it, please tell me in the comments below. Yes, I got it. Usually I say description below, but I got comments. Okay, but thank you for watching through this entire video. It has been a lot of motivation for me.
How long do I have to stay down here before you end the video?
Anyway, so thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please comment, subscribe, like this video, and share. And I will see you in the next vlog.